we're at Immobiliser Fitting. This is a brand new 24 plate Range Rover Sport. As you see, 29 miles on it. Customers just picked it up and they've gone for the Halo Plus Immobiliser. So a thief copies this key, does a relay attack and goes to steal the vehicle. When they start it up, select a gear. For the first time it's going to be a silent Immobiliser, which gives the customer time to make an error. But obviously in the moment they're going to want to know a thief's trying to steal their vehicle, so we're going to get a phone call. As you see, this Range Rover is giving us a call, letting us know someone's trying to steal it. If the thief's silly enough to try for a second time, they put it in gear. I'll just open the window so you can hear it. They put it in gear, vehicle cuts out, horn goes mad, and we're also going to get another phone call to let us know someone's in it. So if you're 2 minutes away, your phone's going to ring, you're going to know someone's attacking your vehicle. If it's part dry outside, you and all your neighbours are going to hear someone's messing around with it, trying to steal it. Obviously, if you want to drive it, you can either choose from popping your code in, using an optional Bluetooth tag, or simply pairing up your phone. So if you're using the code, you'll start the vehicle, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3 we have for the video. Hear that double bleep, now we can put it in gear, vehicle remains running, and we can obviously drive it. Not a fan of putting in the code. You can choose from the tag, so we'll just put the battery in. Now the battery's in, simply have it in your pocket, start the car. You hear that double bleep and you can drive. No need to waste time with the code waiting for the disarm tone. You can drive it, do what you need to do. Not a problem. Don't want to use the tag, don't want that on your keys. Simply turn your Bluetooth on and your connected phone. If your tag goes out of range, you can just start the car up using your phone instead of the code or the tag and drive off. If you're taking this for a service, you can put it into service mode. That can be done through the buttons, through the phone, or through the tag. With the tag, it's as simple as press and hold. The light will go solid. When it begins to flash rapidly, we'll let go. One long tone. This is now a normal vehicle, which basically means when it goes back to Range Rover, simply hand them the key. It won't stall, it won't call you, it won't fire the horn. It's just a normal vehicle. When you get it back, do the same process in reverse, press and hold till it goes back to flashing rapidly, let go. We get one long tone and the vehicle's now secure again. So when you turn the ignition on, with your tag, your phone, you get the bleep, or you pop your code in, you get the double bleep and the system will be active. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a brand new 2024 plate Range Rover Sport. As you see, with just 29 miles on, secured with a Halo Plus Immobiliser. Thanks for watching.